So welcome back to Eagles FS. This is another weekly forex analysis. What we'll do here every week is to come here to show you the potential moves of the market, the big move that happened this week in the market. That's what we normally do. Our last week analysis was spot on. Our Euro JPY pairs give us over 300 pips. GBP JPY pairs give us over 400 pips. Some of you guys that followed my analysis are passing their prop firms. So if you have not joined our channel, kindly subscribe to this channel so that you know whenever I upload a new content. Let's go. Starting with GBP USD. In this week analysis, we'll be looking at GBP USD from the weekly time frame. So on our screen here, you can see that we are having a trend reversal. How do I know? Let me show you. Pay attention. So this pair was initially running up, creating this high and created a higher low here, created another higher high. Instead of creating another higher low, rather it created a lower low, because he breached this place, causing a change of character in a weekly time frame. And now price has rallied up a bit and is dropping, creating this morning star, evening star that you are seeing here. So if you notice our last week candle closed with a bearish engulf candle, signifying that this price is dropping to at least this yellow zone, this support level. So let's go down to daily time frame and have a look on the potential move. So in a weekly, you have satisfied that you are moving down. In a daily time frame, you can see daily time frame that the move is coming down on a daily time frame. Look at last 2 days. Look at the bearish engulf candle that printed last 2 days, Thursday and Friday. Right now we're at a kind of mini support. This place is a mini support. Okay, but we'll see it when we go down to 4-hour time frame, because that's where we'll be looking at how we can now take potential sales on GBP USD. So on this pair, we have satisfied that we are in a downward momentum. So let's go down to 4-hour time frame to see how we can possibly sell this pair. Okay, in a 4-hour time frame, you can see that we are currently in a kind of support area. But before then, look at what happened here. After seeing this high here, price retreats back and failed to make another higher high. Rather, price collapsed, bridging this place, causing a change of character. So this is how we can take sell on GBP USD. From this range, we can allow price to move back to this zone. You can see there's a fair value gap here. Okay. After change of character here, there's a fair value gap here. If price move back to this zone, we can possibly sell from this zone. But if price fail to move back to this zone, we will allow price, okay, when if price break this mini support area, this zone now, if price break it, we will allow it to do what? To retest this zone. Okay, we'll not take our buy. Sorry, we'll not take our sell from this zone. To where? To our weekly support level. See where we are holding this price to, because this price has showed us that we are moving down. We are selling this price to come to this zone, after printing weekly bearish engulf candle. Our next target should be here at 1.20854. Okay, we'll pick our sales somewhere here. So this is how we'll be approaching GU coming this week. So the next pair on our list is gold, SAUSD. So gold, if you look at it on a weekly time frame, you will see that the price was moving up not until last week, when price came to this zone and got exhausted. You can see a massive rejection. You can see it last week candle close, showing you that the sellers are stepping in gradually. So from this price action that is happening here, you notice that coming this week, we will look for a mini sales. So let's go down to daily time frame and look at and see how I can take a potential sales on this pair. This is gold. Now look at this place. When price come to this place initially, there's a fair value gap here. Price saw this fair value gap and collapse. And on second attempt again, you can see a bearish engulf candle. And a bearish engulf candle is a reversal pattern when you see it on a resistance level. And at this place, this is a resistance level. This is a daily resistance level. So after this bearish engulf candle, what next do you expect? You expect price to collapse. Okay. So let's go down to 4-hour time frame where we'll be picking our entry. So on a 4-hour time frame, you can see that this price is falling down. You can see already that price has started creating lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low. After this lower low, what do you expect again? Expect this price to put up a lower high to this zone. Now look closely here, you see a fair value gap here. So when price come back to this zone, we'll do what? We'll sell from this zone. Let me show you so that you see it clearly. We are expecting a sell from this zone on gold. We are expecting a sell from this zone. But we don't just sell blindly. We wait for our confirmations. You know how we do it. Scale down to 15 minutes time frame where we're picking up our sales. Okay. But this week coming, we'll be looking for more sales than buys because we expect this price to do what? To pull back to this zone. But if price fail to pull back to this zone, we'll do what? We'll allow price to break this zone. Let it break and close this zone. Because this zone is also another support level. I expect this price to retrace back. Okay. This is another support level. It's a mini support level. So if price fail to go back to this zone, we'll wait for another opportunity. Let price create this. Let price create this for us. Let it break this below this zone and come back here for a retest. Okay. Or possibly go back here for a retest. But we'll see a price action before we sell. Then we'll sell down to this zone. That will be our entry on gold SAUSD. So next pair on our list is USDJPY. So USDJPY on a weekly time frame, I can see that the price is bullish. How do I know? After creating this higher high, price came down here for a higher low. So after higher low, what next? Price is going for a higher high. But look at the price action here. If you look closely, if you look closely here, you will notice a morning star. Morning star formation on a support level is a reversal pattern. So whenever I see it on a support level, it means that the price is pushing up. Okay. So on a weekly, you have identified that USD JPY is pushing up. But the question is, how do we take advantage of this upward movement? So let's look at our daily time frame on USD JPY. So on a daily time frame, this is our daily support level. This zone is our daily support level. You can see that price break above it and price has come back for a retest. And after a retest, what next? Price is riding up. So let's move down to 4 hour time frame where we'll be picking up our entries. So on a 4 hour time frame, you can see what happened here. That when the price in the uptrend, okay, we are moving up in a 4 hour time frame. How do I know? Price break change a character here. When price close above this zone, you can see it. It causes a change of character and price retraces back to this where to this bullish order block and saw a bullish momentum that caused it to break this structure. After breaking this structure, what next? Price retraces back to where? To this bullish order block for another upward momentum. Now there's another structure. The price has broken another structure here. So we're expecting this price to do what? To come back to this zone. That's why I put it at this zone. If price come back to this zone, we'll do what? We'll move down to 15 minutes time frame where we normally pick up our entries and we'll buy USD JPY to where? To this zone. There is a liquidity here where price will be attracted to. So this is how we're picking up our entries on USD JPY. On our list is Euro JPY. So on a weekly time frame, you notice that Euro JPY is bullish because the price have put up this higher high and came back to this support level. This is our weekly support level to put up a higher low. And price is moving up to where? To this resistance level. So, but you look at the price action, you notice that price came back to this place. So a buy pressure using this bullish order block here. And now look at the price action that happened last week. You see that this is a bullish engulf candle creating a morning star formation here, signifying that this price is about to take off to where? To this yellow zone, our weekly resistance level. So, but before we go to there, let's go to daily time frame and see how we can take advantage of this upward momentum. So, in a daily time frame, you probably see that price is moving up after breaking this zone, causing a change of character here, creating a higher high. Price came back here for a higher low. Using this fair value gap, you can see it here. Using this fair value gap as a reversal zone. And price is reversing to where? To bullish. And I'm currently on this buy trade. I enter somewhere here. I enter around 158 region. Currently on this buy trade, okay? But now you notice again that on Friday there is a bullish engulf candle, okay, that closes on Friday. So as market is opening on Monday, we're expecting a retracement before we can continue buying this pair. So let's go down to 4-hour time frame where we'll be picking up our entry. So this is a 4-hour time frame. We're expecting this price to do what? To come back to this zone. Let price move down to this zone. Where we'll be picking our entry. Let price move down to this zone. Moving down to this zone, we'll set up another buy. Okay, so this is how we'll be taking our entries on Euro JPY. Those of you that have taken this trade knows that we've made over 300 pips on this trade, and this trade alone, some of you use it to pass your prop firm account. So this is how we'll be taking buy on this pair. We are taking it to this zone. Okay, this is Euro JPY. So next pair on our list is US oil. So US oil on a weekly time frame, you can see that whenever price come to this zone, this is our weekly support level. Okay, whenever price come to this weekly support level, you saw a buying pressure to where? To this weekly resistance level. Okay, now look at the price action that happened last week. You are seeing another morning star formation at this weekly support level, signifying that this price is about to take off to where? To this weekly resistance level. So let's go down to daily time frame to see how we can take a potential move. So on a daily time frame, you notice on a daily time frame that we have 6 attempts on this support level. So we expect this price to continue pushing up, but currently we are at daily resistance level. So we do not buy at daily resistance level. Look at it here. This is a resistance zone. Where the price is currently is daily resistance zone. So all we need to do is to allow price to break and close above this daily resistance zone, and we'll now move down to 4-hour time frame where we'll begin our entry. So on a 4-hour time frame, this is our daily resistance zone. On a 4-hour time frame, we will allow price to break and close above this zone. So on a retest, we'll be picking up our entry. Let price break above it, come back for a retest. Okay, that will now picking our entry for a buy, and this our buy will hold it to our weekly resistance level. I hope you guys understood what I mean. So let me show you. Let's go back to our daily time frame. So we'll be holding this price. We are holding this price. It's coming to this zone. We are coming to around 83.721. That's the area we're expecting to take our profit. So this is how we'll be taking our entries on the 5 pairs that I have analyzed. If you have not joined our channel, kindly subscribe to this channel so that you know whenever I upload a new content. If you have not joined our free Telegram channel, that is where I drop free signals one or twice every week. The link is around the comment section. Find the link and join us so that you become a family member of this station. See you guys in my next episode. Cheers.